In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame hold in Adobe Premiere Pro. A frame hold is a simple way to freeze action right on the spot, creating a still image that continues for the rest of the clip. It's perfect for emphasizing a moment, giving yourself time for on-screen text, or creating a dramatic pause without having to export a still or rearrange your edit. First, look at your timeline and click to select the exact clip you want to affect. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. If you're working with several stacked clips, make sure you're clicking the one you want to freeze. It can help to zoom into the timeline so you can land precisely where you need to. Next, place your playhead on the precise frame you want to hold. The frame under the playhead is the one Premiere Pro will freeze. So take a moment to scrub until the picture looks exactly right. Watch for motion blur or blinking eyes. Freezing on a clean, sharp frame usually looks best. With the clip selected and the playhead parked, right-click directly on the clip in the timeline and choose Add Frame Hold from the context menu. That's it. Premiere Pro immediately locks the frame at the playhead position. Here's what happens as a result. From the playhead forward, the video portion of that clip becomes a still image. When you play back, you'll see normal motion up to the playhead and then a freeze that continues through the remainder of the clip. If you overshot the moment or want a different frame, simply undo, reposition the playhead, and apply Add Frame Hold again. A quick tip on checking your work. Drag the playhead backward and forward across the point where you applied the hold. You should see movement before the point and a perfectly still picture after it. If nothing seems to change, double check that you selected the correct clip before right-clicking. Keep in mind this command affects video only. Any linked audio will continue to play as usual. If you intended the sound to stop with the picture, plan your timing so the hold happens where the audio naturally fits, or adjust the audio separately after confirming the freeze looks right. That's the whole process. Select the clip, right-click, and choose Add Frame Hold. It's fast, precise, and non-destructive, which makes it a great go-to technique when you need to pause the action without interrupting your timeline flow. Give it a try on a few different shots.